Hi, my name is Mark, and I'm one of the co-founders here at Double Robotics. We make what's called a telepresence robot. That means you can take this robot and you can put it anywhere in the world, and if you can't be there for a meeting or attending class, you can call into the robot instead, and you can drive around and you can talk to people as if you were actually there.
We have robots in our blood, building robots in high school and college, mentoring high school and college teams in the BattleBots competitions. We had a need for better communication tools, and we found that if we could build a robot, we could actually feel like we were there in person. The name double refers to like your body double or your stunt double. You need to go to a meeting, or you need to go to school, or you need to visit a factory, and you can call into that place and have a presence there, and it can be your replacement, it can be your body double. Doctors being able to visit patients on robots, kids who are able to attend class if they couldn't be there in person, visiting a factory in China or meeting with a client, offices connecting together, real estate agents using it for tours. One of the things that makes Double Robotics unique is our tight-knit collaboration between software and hardware. So we have a really good team of hardware engineers and software engineers where we can build a user experience that's really good and seamless. As a hardware startup, we're pushed to build the product as quickly as possible and get something out there that people want. We initially designed our entire product in SOLIDWORKS. That was our first choice when we went to look for software. We're able to rapidly iterate on our designs. That helps us stay ahead of our customers' needs. Now we're really excited because we have SOLIDWORKS PCB, and we can collaborate together with SOLIDWORKS Mechanical, bring the electrical engineers into the equation, rapidly iterate on a design, make our designs very quickly, review the designs, and then just go right back into SOLIDWORKS and work on the next thing. That collaboration between the mechanical and electrical really amplifies what you're able to do as an individual engineer. The future of Double Robotics is always going to be innovating on products quickly and listening to our customers and figuring out what they want and building upon that. And so we're really excited about the future of SOLIDWORKS and the path that they're taking to bring that whole experience together into one piece of software.